think this thing is crooked, right? Hey cutie fruities! Welcome to my channel, Sedare. A lot of you guys have been asking me what it is that I eat in a day, and to be honest, what I'm about to cook for you guys, if you could even call it cooking, I sometimes eat this 3 times a day. Why? Because ain't nobody got time to cook, and I'm gonna cook once, and that's what I'm gonna be eating all day long, other than munching on fruits and snacks that I could just literally grab and go. So today I'm gonna teach you guys what my go-to is. Basically this like steamed huge salad and veggie concoction with potatoes. I hope you like it! That's better! Ay, vamos aprendiendo poco a poco. Just want to let you guys know, some parts of this video may look a little blurry. It has nothing to do with user error. I have this, oh shoot, ya tiene agua. I put water in it already, but that wasn't there from yesterday. This is a vaporizer, this is a steamer. And I just put like 1 to 2 inches of water in there. The first thing we put in the pot were the papas. Potatoes, okay? Focus on la papa. Because the papas are gonna be what takes the longest to cook. I used 2 huge papas. So you put them in there for a few minutes. And then after a few minutes, when you start to see that they're starting to get a little bit softer, you put in the cauliflower. And then the rest of the veggies. Zucchini! Tomatoes! Shroomies! Bam bam, that's all. Capiche? Capiche. While all that's cooking, I'm going to chop up. I'm going to chop up my lettuce, of course. Well, yeah, what language am I speaking right now? Spanglish. Choose whatever kind of lettuce you want. I'm gonna add some cilantro and some onion sprouts, cause my breath's gonna smell so good and you're gonna wanna kiss me. Then you could squeeze lime juice on it. Some cayenne pepper. You know what I mean? Whoa, fantastic, glamorous, crunchy. If you guys enjoyed this video and seeing what I literally will eat for the rest of the day, not including all of the extra fruits that I eat as snacks, let me know in the comments below. Try the recipe and let me know what you like. It's food that makes me feel good. It's food that's gonna help you lose weight, feel full, and give you a lot of energy. So don't forget to click on that little red, it's like this little red square and it says like subscribe or something, you know, just like click on it. Something really cool is gonna happen. So just click, clickety click, do it. I'm waiting for you to do it, so, you know. If you wanna know more about the potato diet, go check me out at sethatic.tv.com because you can get a free guide right there. All you gotta do is put in your email and your name and voila. Okay, bye. How do you turn this thing off? Why do I keep eating things like this?